Changing your payout method on Wefunder is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Wefunder website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready for a smooth login experience. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Select payout methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to add or edit your payout method. You may need to enter new banking information or select a different payment platform. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message or prompt indicating that your new payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Wefunder. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wefunder's customer support for assistance.